Everyone likes to try and second-guess Apple, but very few voices are taken seriously, except two. These are KGI Securities analyst Ming Kai Kuo, who scored 11 out of 11 in his iPhone 6s predictions, and Piper Jaffray's Gene Munster, who yesterday moved Apple shares 9% just by giving them an overweight rating. Now Munster has revealed what he believes are the big secrets of the iPhone 7. Speaking to Barron's, Munster said his contacts have led him to conclude the iPhone 7 will offer the most radical redesign of the iPhone range to date and mark the first ground-up restyle of the line's iconic looks. Here are his top 3 takeaways in what would be the most shocking development. Munster states he believes the introduction of 3D Touch will provide the gateway for Apple to do away with the iPhone's famed home button. He believes Apple will use the additional space to make the screen bigger or make the device smaller. I suspect of these options, most would prefer the latter, with a home button with 4.7-inch iPhone 7 becoming almost as small as the previous 4-inch iPhone for great one-handed usability, and a 5.5-inch iPhone being roughly the same size as most standard 5-inch smartphones. Munster states for this to happen, Apple would likely move the Touch ID sensor into the side of the phone like Sony's Xperia range, rather than place it on the back like the new Nexus 5X and 6P. The convenience this approach brings is in allowing users to unlock their iPhones on a surface without having to pick them up. But before we get too excited, Munster is uncharacteristically hedging his bets on this, saying he believes the removal of the home button has a 50% chance for the iPhone 7. But it is worth noting, given Apple's typical iPhone life cycles, that if it didn't make the iPhone 7 it most likely wouldn't happen until 2 years later with the iPhone 8.